Good morning, my art friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you like it, please subscribe. Today I am going to do a swipe with the bloom recipe, and I have found somebody on my Instagram. Her name is winterstrom.art, and she's amazing. She does the most beautiful swipes with lots of negative space, and I'm totally obsessed with that. So if you want to see that, please look her up. So today I'm using a house paint, a white house paint. And this house paint is bathroom paint from the brand Histor, and this is the only paint I found so far that works, but unfortunately they are not selling this anymore, so I'm looking for a new house paint to use. But I think we have that problems all over the world, unfortunately. And I'm pouring on an MDF round, and I have gessoed the front and the back twice, so it won't, how do you call that? It will not,
Bolt.
that it won't get bold.
It stays flat.
Yeah, it won't bend. Oh my gosh. And the colors I'm going to use are Primary Elements, and I have the color Robin's Egg, which is a very light green with a blue shift. I'm going to use Be Mine, which was from the new set Still Be Mine. I think these colors, this color is available now separate on the website. I have Boysenberry, very dark purple with a little bit of a pink blue shift, gorgeous color. I have Mermaid Skills, which is from the Dragonfly kit, the extreme pastel colors. This is a green with a green shimmer. And I have Pebeo paint, and this is the opaque light ultramarine blue. So this is the only tube paint we are using. And I have 3 cell activators, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, or maybe I will use them all 3. I have these are all mixed with Australian Floetrol. This is golden teal, this is Lucas gold, and this is golden carbon black mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I have mixed all my pigments and the paint in Vivid Enamel and Rust-Oleum Triple Thick. So we are going to start. I hope I can pull this off. I hope so. I will let you enjoy the pour and put a little bit of music on. And I talk to you later when I'm finished.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
So here we are for the close-up. I do not have my flash on now, and I'm trying to show you the shimmer, but I will put my flash on in a minute. I think, I'm sorry about the glare, but I think it's turned out gorgeous. So for the next time I'm going to try the same thing with the same colors, but I will try it on a black background. Okay, I will put my flash on so you can see it with the flash on. Yes, here we are with the flash on. This is the design. I love these colors together. Gorgeous. So I cannot wait to see how this will dry. And I have to wait until tomorrow, but I will show you in a minute how this one dried. If you do this, make sure your canvas is very level, because you don't want to lose your design. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll be back with the